Theoto's history started in the 30s. Since that time, the market in general has been quickly changing, and the challenge to follow such market changes helped to build the actual Theoto company. Theoto's industrial process has been modernized, its production capacity has been enhanced, new products have been developed, and logistics have been completely restructured. All these improvements have been created to satisfy the needs of the market that requires more and more punctuality, variety, quality, and profitability. Theoto, practicing development with responsibility since 1939. The raw material used in the production of main Theoto's products is wood. And to talk about it, we came here to Angatuba, São Paulo, to one of the 11 forests administered and preserved by Theoto through Theoto Agroflorestal Company. In this forest, the company cultivates pinus and Brazilian pine species called Araucaria in order to use them as raw material. To ensure supplies to the entire market, Theoto has a forest area of over 2,170 hectares, corresponding to 21,700,000 square meters. 14,100,000 square meters of this area are exclusively reserved for planting trees as starting material, and 7,600,000 square meters are reserved for environment conservation and preservation of native forests. This is an area for recent pinus planting. The process starts with the preparation of the land and the planting of a certain module. After that, the company follows some procedures such as constant land cleaning, plague extinguishing, fire prevention, maintenance of access roads, tree pruning, and intermediary tree trimming. This prepared module will generate profitability only after the first tree trimming is done. These tree prunes can be harvested after 20 years, and concerning the Araucaria, harvest time is still longer. It takes 30 to 40 years until the harvest. And in order to have a monthly harvest, which covers the production structure of the manufacturing plant located in Jundiaí, it is necessary to administrate at the same time 240 modules of pinus and 420 modules of Araucaria. This is technology together with planning. At Theoto, sustainable development also means respecting the nature and each cycle time. Everything is calculated to satisfy the needs of the market and to preserve quality of life for the future.
Esse é o segmento que mais gera emprego no campo. A equipe é formada por técnicos, engenheiros, pessoal especializado na colheita e transporte. Tem também profissionais especializados para a segurança, tanto para os plantios comerciais como para as áreas de preservação ambiental.
Through its rural work, Theoto plays a very important role creating more jobs, quality of life, tax collection, and especially caring about the biodiversity preservation of each region. The wood is taken from here directly to the manufacturing plant located in Jundiaí, state of São Paulo, or in Ponta Grossa, state of Paraná. The wood is then used together with other raw materials in the production line of Theoto Mix. The manufacturing plant in Jundiaí has an area of 42,000 square meters, including a building area of 14,000 square meters. The company's team is composed of over 500 direct and indirect collaborators. The production line develops over 40 disposable products from wood, paper, plastics and aluminum, satisfying the needs of the most different market segments. The product line for residences includes over 20 products to facilitate life. and many of them have been taking part in consumers' life since their childhood. In the food service segment, Theoto also offers mixed products with special packaging for large quantities. Concerning ice cream parlor and sweet shop segments, Theoto offers indispensable products. Regarding medical and pharmaceutical segment, Theoto produces air spatulas and tongue depressors, which during several consecutive years were awarded market leaders. Theoto products take part in the life of millions of consumers and help the everyday work in countless bars, restaurants, hotels, snack bars, doctors' practices and industries. Through an efficient distribution network, Theoto is able to satisfy the needs of the entire country and also of countries in Africa, Europe and Latin America. To ensure an automatized production until the end of the process, the company has a technical sector which is specialized in the creation, development and construction of its own equipment.
Para a Theoto, investir em tecnologia não é apenas comprar os melhores equipamentos, e sim adaptá-los ao perfil da empresa e atender às expectativas do mercado. Não é apenas contratar os melhores profissionais, mas formá-los com a postura da empresa. A Theoto tem seus segredos industriais. A tradução desses segredos o mercado já conhece, é a ótima relação custo-benefício.
The company's location is always very important. Concerning Theoto, it is also a strategic location. The company's manufacturing plant is located near the expressways Anhanguera-Bandeirantes, which enables easy and quick access to the capital of the state, to the other cities of the state, also to the most important airports of São Paulo State and to the major Latin America's harbor. Practical products for everyday use and the preserved nature in the rural sector. This is Theoto. And this is the best way to finish this presentation, in a place in nature with pure air. Theoto, a company that cares about quality, safety, technology, and especially about environment.